The Autel MaxiPRO MP808S PRO is a highly advanced diagnostic tool, offering extensive vehicle compatibility and a robust set of features that make it ideal for both professional workshops and automotive enthusiasts. Equipped with advanced ECU coding and the ability to reflash hidden functions, this scan tool provides superior coverage and accuracy, especially for high-end vehicle models. It includes a comprehensive set of 11 OBD adapters and supports over 30 enhanced services, surpassing many competitors in versatility and functionality. The device offers detailed service repair guides for VAG vehicles, making it a valuable repair assistant that saves time and effort for technicians. Its bidirectional control capabilities allow users to perform active tests, sending commands to a vehicle's ECU to verify the operation of various parts. With an intuitive interface and fast processing power, the Autel MaxiPRO MP808S PRO delivers OE-level diagnostics, ensuring a thorough and efficient vehicle assessment.